Hi food lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to blow your mind with the most delicious flavor packed native rice you have ever tasted. If you have never tried this before, trust me, you are in for a treat. This dish is rich, filled with all the goodness that makes your taste buds dance. Make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment and engage, guys. My returning subscribers, thank you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new recipe. Make sure you watch this video to the end because every step is a game changer. Let's get cooking, guys. After prepping my pepper mix, which consists of pepper, shombo, tomatoes and green pepper, I'm starting by heating up some red oil. When that fries for a bit, you go in with your chopped onions and locust beans. You fry that for some time, then you go in with your blended pepper mix, with your chopped pepper mix then you start frying it. We will let it fry until the oil and pepper combine beautifully, giving it that rich aroma. Now we bring in the flavor enhancers, which is crayfish, seasoning powder and salt. This is all you need. This step is crucial because it builds the foundation of that irresistible taste. Can you smell that? If only cameras would capture the flavor, right? The next thing to do is to add our meat stock. I added my beef meat stock in my freezer, preferably if you have goat meat stock or beef stock, but I don't think chicken stock or turkey stock will go because this is a native food we are making. So after you adding it, you just cover it, stir it together, then cover it and allow it to cook. Once the thing has cooked for you, you bring it down and go over to the next step. Now let's take our rice to the next level with a buttery infusion. I'm melting some butter in a separate pot. We are doubling down on the flavor by adding more crayfish, some seasoning powder and big crayfish. In my place we call it okporo. We'll fry it for a while. Trust me, you have never had this native rice before. When you make this particular dish, it's going to be an unforgettable dish in your household. We'll go ahead and add our washed rice and gently mix everything together. When you get to the process, please turn on your heat a bit so that you'll be able to get this process and not get it burnt. And you know how I make my rice now. You can check my other cooking videos. I don't parboil any of my rice. I use salt and wash it very well. The next thing we'll be adding is our fried pepper mix. Once you add it, you stir everything together so everything understand each other. We want every grain of rice to soak up this delicious meat, so be gentle when stirring everything together before we will be introducing our protein. For our protein, we'll be using dried catfish, fresh fish, boiled egg. Now here is where things get serious. I'm adding my boiled eggs, my dried catfish, my fresh fish. This is going to elevate the taste like nothing else. We are letting all these flavors fuse together as the rice absorbs every bit of the goodness. After this stage, you will just cover your rice and cook it on medium heat so that it doesn't get burnt. The next thing to be doing is to be checking your rice on interval. I'm just trying to create a hole right now so that the water will be soaked down and not up, so that the rice can be able to cook evenly. After doing this, I'll still go ahead to cover it because the rice is still a bit strong and needs to be properly cooked. Now my rice is well cooked. What I will do is to go ahead to remove my protein so that when I'm stirring everything together, the protein will not scatter inside my pot. Now that our rice is ready, we'll just go ahead and stir our rice together so that the ingredients up will go down and so that the juice will go around the rice. I just stir it properly till when everything is looking nicely combined. Now this is the grand finale, the last step that we need to do, and our rice is ready to be dished. We'll go ahead to add our chopped onions and green pepper and lastly spring onions. But if you have scent leaf or curry, you should add it at this moment, but I wanted to use this because this is what I have in my house right now, and this combination it tasted so nice. Like it tasted so very good. Go ahead and stir everything gently for the last time and our food is ready. Wow, just look at my pot of goodness. This is hands down one of the best native rice recipe you ever try. The flavors, the aroma, the richness is simply unbeatable. If you love good food, you have to try this. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next amazing recipe. See you in the next video, and don't forget to step this food down with either zobo or any drink of your choice. Bye guys.